What is up, you guys? So got off work, came home to disaster. Looks like we are gonna have a garage sale this weekend, but nonetheless, one of the things that we wanted to do for a while was see how to fix my window. So right now we got JR taking the door apart, and we'll see what's going on. So yeah, let's see what happens. There's a garage sale, just trying to set up. We got tires for sale. JR, these tires are for sale, right?
Fuck you.
How much?
No way, man.
How much is the tires?
I actually picked that up for $200.
$5. These tires are going for $5, you guys. What we got going on over here is some BF Goodrich G-Force Sports. What size are these?
245, 40.
245, 40, 19s. So these are for sale, $5 each. You guys, wholesale prices right now. It's crazy.
No way.
We got the MR2. Once that thing's finished, I don't know how much. We might keep it. But
Tires aren't for sale. They're going on my 370. I actually picked them up on Kijiji for $200 for both. About 90% left on those. So that's a pretty sick pickup for $200. $100 a tire, pretty much.
don't worry about it. Everything's for sale, right? No. Everything has a price.
Okay, let's get back to this. So we're removing this door. So far what I got is I removed this bezel over here. Took out these two screws. Working on these two on the handle. And I believe there's two more on the bottom there. So I think these ones are already loose. Top one's loose. Bottom one. Yeah, that's loose.
And I think I have that trim too, hey?
Yeah, what happened to that?
It's in the center console.
Okay, that one's good.
Did you get a haircut? It's fresh, buddy.
A while ago. Okay, that's loose.
Who cut your hair?
JR Suave.
JR Suave? What's
Yeah.
his Instagram?
You'll post it. He'll post it online. Oh,
JR Suave is his Instagram.
nice.
We'll post that up on there. One of the best barbers in the city.
Jeez.
Our homeboy. Make sure you check him out.
Okay.
Okay.
So that's why it's not fucking connected.
Oh, because it's not hooked up.
Nice. Jeez, I don't want to fuck it.
Okay, I got this.
Hold on. I'm just gonna pop this off. Hold it back. There you go. Hold that. Make
Yep.
sure she doesn't drop.
You're good. Let's put it underneath the bag here.
Well, that's broken, so I don't know if it doesn't even have the piece. That's why. So that's not in. That's definitely not gonna work. What should we do?
I don't know. Check voltage. I don't know how to fucking do that though. Fucking suck with electrical.
Okay. Okay, let me grab some shit.
Where's your voltmeter? It's in your bag. It's right here.
There you go. Jeez. Okay.
Is that the speaker wire too?
Yeah, for the tweeter. I think this is, I don't know if this is custom.
Looks like it, eh?
Yeah. He just drilled a hole in the back here, put a tweeter. But clearly it was a fucking hack job because we got no sound system in this bitch.
So that will be something that we probably will be doing later. And look at those. What are those wires for?
Which one?
Those green ones, those connectors.
Down here?
Yeah.
Who knows?
Is that for like speakers or something?
Who knows? No, these speakers are. We'd have to take this off. See if it's connected.
Right?
Yeah, maybe. Maybe it was supposed to go through here.
Yeah.
No, we got some wires going in through here too.
I don't really want to take plastic off anyways.
I'll hold that to the red. On 12 volt. Nothing. 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 Uh-oh. I don't even know what I'm doing, guys. That's for sure. Okay, we'll cut this. I'll let you know if I find voltage. Okay, so been playing around with this, still getting zeros. So I don't know if there's any power going to this clip, but yeah, pretty much failed attempt. You have to diagnose, see what's wrong. Definitely have to get a new clip though. That's for sure.
Yeah, new seats.
New seats for sure, yeah.
Damn, it's embarrassing. Look at this. Old dry ass, wrinkly, old, smelling, looking, oh sucker.
So I guess we'll just put this shit away somewhere safe.
Yeah, just put the put all in the glove box, I guess, for now.
Fuck, man.
All the clips.
Taking
bolts.
L's. We taking L's, baby.
It's reality TV.
Fuck, you got a lot of shit in here, right? Oh, look. There's the old piece. Okay, well, let's try that. Let's try that quickly. Let's try that. Where's that fucking piece? I don't know if this is the right way. Clip that in. Let's turn our car on. Nothing.
Shit.
Hold on, let's try it. It could go both ways, right?
No, it's only one way.
No, I mean like this. The way I put it in here.
Oh, you go both ways?
No way. No way. Try the other way.
Nothing? Fuck.
Okay, yeah. Yeah, still taking L's. Fucking turn this off. Put this away. Put this away. Oh, fuck.
All right, well, you guys heard it here. We're gonna call this day a loss and try to figure some shit out.
Look what you got in here. What the fuck is this?
Rust-proof
for
teens.
Dry though.
Is it open? Is it empty?
Yeah, it's empty. We got some gaskets.
You got a shift boot.
Shift boot.
You
Some
got
gaskets. I don't know.
Turbo.
Turbo gasket?
Turbo adapter probably.
No.
Turbo plate for
It looks like your T4 flange.
Yeah, for the headers.
Yeah.
What's that box there?
Yeah, I know. Get out.
What is it?
Get out, man.
Oh shit! It's a whole brand new piece. What?
Man, we wasted so. Man, that's fucking bullshit.
I didn't even know I had that.
Okay, well, I don't know. I didn't get any voltage, so we'll see if this works. Yeah, that'd be awesome.
That'd be dope.
That'd be dope.
Hit it.
Let's check it out, man. No, man, this wasted over an hour. Get the fuck out of here, man.
The window works. Yo, let's check that shit out.
Get out of here, man.
Let's check that shit out. Oh, no.
This shit fucking works, man.
All the way down.
Get the fuck out of here, man. That's sick.
All the way out. Sick.
Wasted an hour.
Yo,
And
but
you
how
had
come, check the
parts
driver's
in-
side. Check to see if the driver's side works then. No. No. The, oh, sick.
Yeah, that works.
Because before it wasn't working, so I guess it just didn't connect. You probably
Yeah.
couldn't close the circuit or whatever.
Yeah, I couldn't close the circuit.
Sick.
Fuck, man, that's awesome, man.
Well,
Fuck, there you go. So, that's fixed. Let's turn this fan off. That's fucking awesome, man.
dope.
That's dope.
Now we can roll down both windows, and this thing will turn into a sweat box.
Yeah.
So,
Fucking
Yeah.
awesome, man. Good job.
sick.
Good job. I gotta pound the fan first, right? That's fucking sick, man. I can't believe it.
Okay,
Like, who would
well,
have thought, man?
let's put this thing back together, and
Let's fucking call
we'll
it
drink some beer.
Yeah, short vid.
So,
Short
peace.
vid.
Thanks again. We'll chug a beer or something. Peace. So while we were packing up, we had a little surprise visit from Mr. Tony.
Yo.
Tony, what are you doing right
What's
now?
good? Applying paint protection to my car because I got some rock chips. So
Sick.
I kind of want to prevent that. So I'm applying clear film to protect it.
So Tony, need a hand ready? Stretches it right across.
I really like it.
We have one.
Yeah.
Oh,
Alright. My hybrid engine
yeah, check this engine out. Oh yeah, that's right.
going green.
You smack it, right?
Just gotta tap it. Are you even pulling it? Bro?
I'm holding
Oh,
it.
there you go.
So there's Tony's engine. This key HKS SSQ blow off
I don't
valve.
have a stick.
Doesn't have a stick. But it's okay.
You hold this up.
He also bought a an intercooler kit, right?
Yep.
Intercooler upgrade.
Correct.
So that will be some content. So make sure you guys watch that as well too. But onto this paint protection film. Same thing, soapy water.
This one's water and alcohol.
Water and alcohol.
Yo, you might have to cut some of these seams.
Yeah, cut it yourself, eh?
No,
Cut
some
the
of
fit?
No, you gotta custom cut the fit.
Yeah.
Because these cars are too old. And there's
You
no.
don't have that template, right?
Yeah. There's no software for it.
Yo, man, you should let me try this.
It's easy, man.
On my car, right?
You like shortcuts because
So here we are. She's all wrapped up. We're just gonna go ahead and cut it out.
So you want to cut that corner off. You want to leave an edge so you can wrap the corner in, or you want to wrap these edges in. It'll look a lot nicer. You won't even tell that it's there.
You always want to use the middle finger
You get the most stability.
Yeah.
and to
So as you see, you're always gonna want to leave a little bit of an overlap there, everywhere. So we're gonna go ahead and cut this out, and we'll show you what it looks like after. All right, so here's the final product. As you can see, you can't even tell. So what Tony did was he ended up doing this fender, as you've seen today. And you did this today too, right?
Yeah.
Just at somewhere else. So,
Did it work?
so as you can see, nice protection, self-healing, ready to go. So that's just a quick class on how to do it. I know we left a couple steps out, but you know, figure it out, live and learn. Peace out.
Peace.
So just when we thought the day was done, the mastermind over here decides to take something apart. So one of the issues that we started having was with the Supra, we had no music whatsoever. So it would be a boring ass, moss-sucking drive every freaking time. So he took the center console off, checked out some wires, and we hooked it up. And I have back speakers. So what he's doing is essentially, what are you doing? Taking it all apart, resplicing them, doing proper connections. Or what?
just so we have this cheap Amazon bought double din head unit.
Yeah.
I'm just gonna change all this wiring onto this harness for that. We'll see if it works. If it works, then we'll save soldering and the complete install for another day. Just want to make sure that this thing works. And yeah, let's check it out.
Sick deals.
Like ocean when I'm jumping in the rain. Just so I'ma shoot a person rappers down back there.
Oh, we got music, boys.
I live up to my
We got
hand in the
music.
racks. I don't pay tax. Talk on my back. Watch out my caddy around, but I never laugh. Walking up with the shit so you don't tell you.
You ready, Colin? Look what else we ended up doing. Oh, we got that gold foil. sir. Keep watching for that. So here's the result. Oh. Looks dope. What's yours looking like to you?
I gotta pop mine again.
That's right, you gotta play with it a little to pop her up. Oh, looks tight. That's what's up. All right, you guys, so that is it for today. Yeah, we're just gonna go ahead and drink some beer. So thanks again for tuning in, definitely appreciate it. Don't forget to hit the like button and the subscribe button. And yeah, keep watching our videos and remember always to do what you wanna do. So peace, take care, have fun, we're gonna drink some beer. Peace.